Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable photo remix on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram's new photo remix tool has begun rolling out, allowing users to create group Instagram reels. Not everyone likes the idea of remixing their photos. Everyone are not comfortable about sharing and allowing their photos for remixing, which is also valid reason to disable remixing of photos. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Privacy. Then tap on Reels and Remix. Move slide bar of Allow for Photos to left. So, this is how you can disable photo remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.